This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22 FE22E is a Class C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nautical Blue, silver Strand, home Collection Esta interior, sleeps 5, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 22 FE22E is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.